Our Hiligaynon word for the day is bagtik. Bagtik. When we say bagtik, that means to harden and get brittle as dry mud and the like. Bagtik. Bagtik. Nagbagtik ang lunang. Nagbagtik ang lunang. That means the mud has hardened. Nagbagtik ang lunang. Nabagtikan siya sing lunang sa iya mga panapton. Nabagtikan siya sing lunang sa iya mga panapton. That means some mud got dry and hard on his or her clothes. Nabagtikan siya sing lunang sa iya mga panapton. Nagbagtik ang kalamay sa kalaha. Nagbagtik ang kalamay sa kalaha. That means that the sugar in the pan is overdone or has dried and hardened to the point of emitting a smell of scorching or burning. Nagbagtik ang kalamay sa kalaha. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, bagtik. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.